Oh, Gesundheit.
It's freezing. It's been snowing for a month. Do you hear that?
Oh, it's just you, Dad.
Who are you?
Oh, it's a really cold and windy winter. I hope no one gets sick from the weather, but then again, it's pretty good for business.
Yeah?
Oh, excuse me, gentlemen. What seems to be the problem today?
I need medicine, okay?
Medicine? Oh, don't be silly. Nothing works better than my needles.
Hey!
Sorry about that. I seem to be a little distracted today. Let's try again. Oh, the thing is, this noise is driving me crazy. Oh, sorry about that. Excuse me? Oh, enough with the snoring already! Oh, this sound is driving me absolutely bonkers! It sounds like a volcanic eruption! Some of us are trying to focus! I'm a doctor! Ladies and gentlemen, now's the perfect time for a vacation to Mosquito Island. Get away from this bitter winter. Huh? Hi, everyone. Gallup Travels is offering 50% off of Mosquito Island trips.
I haven't slept much in the last few days. Take a look at my eyes. Huh? No. Stop it. I'm out of here.
Don't go, sir. Doesn't Mosquito Island sound like paradise? It's warm there. Huh?
I'm going home now.
Huh? Hey, who's snoring like a buzzsaw? You're ruining my business. Quiet! Stop making that noise!
Oi! Oi! Yeah! What the heck was that? Snoring. Oi! 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 Whoever's responsible is gonna be sorry! That's better. Oi! It feels just like an earthquake! I can't believe this! I can't believe the buildings are still intact! This is just nuts!
I gotta put a stop to this. I'll use my needles on myself. Oh, it's not working! I just can't fall asleep with this noise! Well, since the needles aren't working, I'll use some of this sleeping potion to help me sleep. Oh, that noise is costing me my beauty sleep. Well, maybe I need a trip to Mosquito Island. That's a bizarre name, isn't it? Sure, if by mosquito you mean tropical paradise. I hope it lives up to my expectations. I'm going there right away. I'm a happy stud! Maybe I'll just go tomorrow. That noise is... that noise!
Oh! I can't believe this! The snoring hasn't stopped once this entire night! When will it end? Huh? Ah! I'm not able to sleep! Mama! I want my mom! Open the door, Trapper!
Come on!
Trapper! Do you hear us? Velvet, Trapper! We have a case for you! Come on! Come on! Oh, there you are.
Huh? Well, looks like no one in town is getting their beauty sleep.
Hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't come any sooner. But I haven't had much sleep lately. Did you say something about a case?
What case? Sounds really great. Oh, but I'm ever so tired.
Everyone in town is being affected by that strange loud noise. Oh!
You guys heard it too, yeah?
Not only do we hear it, but it's keeping us from sleeping and working.
Right. So I should probably do something about this then.
Exactly!
I believe it's the infamous and legendary sound bolt. It's devastating. I must prepare myself for the possible future face-off. Hoo-yah! Huh? You two have got to put an end to this! Find out who's responsible! Wait! Come on, you guys. I'm still not sure what the actual case is here.
Oh!
Find out who's been snoring!
Trapper! Trapper! Hey, Trapper, I need your help!
Voyager!
This is great. Seems we have a new case.
Hey, you guys! Shadow's gone missing!
What? Shadow's missing?
I slept at the shop, and this morning when I woke up, I couldn't find her anywhere!
Calm down, Voyager, calm down. We'll all make our way to her shop. Come on, we'll all go together. Shadow! Shadow!
Go!
Hey, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh!
Shadow! Hey!
You in here? Huh? Where could she be?
Shadow, you can't just leave me without any silver! I'm still on your payroll! What am I supposed to do without any silver?
There it is again!
Trapper,
Hey.
do you hear that? It's definitely coming from here. Trapper!
Huh?
It's getting louder over there!
That's really weird. I think it's coming from here. How could this strange jar be the source of the snoring?
Velvet, careful!
Huh?
Shadow!
Oh, thank discharge, it's over.
For sure.
Oh! It was the jar's acoustics that amplified the snoring through the town.
Amplified snoring?
在这里守株待兔，扬长啸。对牛弹琴一不小心打上金色，两人开始弄成虎灯，杀了机器人了后，上报的书场快马加鞭，没了这。像你这样的大师喝酒，一定很厉害。